Welcome back, guys. Welcome. It's been a couple days. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I haven't been uploading because I haven't really been trading. I think I took one trade on Thursday, and that was quite early in the morning. Like I think 5 a.m. because I've been trying to get to work a little bit earlier because I'm prepping to move within the next couple weeks, maybe a month or two, or probably a month. So I'm trying to just get some stuff done at work before instead of having to trade. But today we are back and we're back with a Red Day recap. Um so yeah, kind of a weird day today. Very slow, very slow. So let's hop into it. So we are down 42 bucks on the dot. So I added some more money to my account. So that is what, 6 or 7%. So, a little bit more than probably what I wanted. I'm mad on the last trade I took today. So I am red on 2 out of the 3 stocks I traded, and kind of, yeah, just not a good day today. So yes, my first trade, I took 3 trades on REPL, and it was a loser on every single one of them. Or 2 trades. Did I take 2? Yeah, 2 trades. Um, yeah, higher float stock. I didn't trade it up until I traded at 707, which was just, yeah, a little bit higher of a float. So that was like kind of my main thing, to just stay out of it for a little bit. Um, yeah. So I tried to get a dip on this candle here to see if we can get a quick pop back up. That didn't work out. That rejected. I lost 13 cents on that. Um, so not too big of a loss. If I can keep it under 15 cents, I think that's a good kind of risk to reward ratio. Um, I just need to get my average winners a bit higher on that. And then I traded again, kind of the same dip on the same level, 752. That was about a minute later, and lost 12 cents on that. So yeah, 2 losers on that. And then I traded BGLC, and I am so glad I got out when I did get out on this. So we'll hop over on the 10-second chart here. So it started spiking up right at 8. And just since we haven't really had any news, where I was like, well, maybe we'll get this one will catch some attention. Oh, GNLN is pushing up now. Oh, no, it's about only at 6. Um, yeah, I ended up getting filled on GNLN at a way higher than I thought I would get out. Or wait, I'm on BGLC. Sorry, my bad. BGLC. Yeah, I got 3 cents a share on profit on this at 665. So it spiked up, and then I got in at it's kind of having no news. It did this little pop up earlier, so I got in on this little dip here, and it popped up, and I was like, it hesitated for a bit too long, and this big rejection kind of happened. It happened in the middle of this 10-second candle. It was very quick. And so I just got out for 3 cents of profit. And then my last trade on GNLN, I got in on here. I pressed the buy button at 30.54. So right here, I was trying to buy this dip at like 6:30, see how to see what kind of dip I can get on it. And I got filled at 6:57. And luckily it popped up to 6:39, and I just took out and I just sold. I mean, maybe I just got super unlucky with a half a second, because I pressed the buy button when I saw 6:30, and I looked at my my average cost up here, and it said 657, and I was like, what the heck? Like, how did I get filled so high? So maybe it was just bad timing, luck of the draw, I guess. But yeah, not a good day today, but I'll blame it on some rust from not trading. So yeah, that is me for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.